Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this interesting question. I use 2's complement to evaluate 1101 base 2 minus 1100 base 2. The first thing is just to get the 2's complement of the number you're subtracting. So you get 2's complement of the number that we're subtracting, that is 1100. So that is obtained by just taking the 1's complement and adding 1 to it. So the 1's complement just involves inverting the digits. Where there's 1, you put a 0, and when there's 0, you put a 1. So the 1's complement of this is 0, 0, 1, 1. And then to get the 2's complement, just add 1 to it. So you have 1 plus 1, which is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, which is 0, carry 1. That is 1, and then that is 0. So that is the 2's complement of the number that you're subtracting. Then the next step is to add that 2's complement to the number that you're subtracting from. So we're going to have the number we're subtracting from is 1101, and then we add the 2's complement of the other number, that is 0100. So let us do that. We have 1 plus 0, which is 1. We have 0 plus 0, which is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then we have 1 plus 1, that is 0, carry 1. So you have 0, and you have a carry there. So you can drop the carry because the original numbers are in 4 bits. So it means, therefore, that 1101 base 2 minus 1100 base 2 is equal to 0001 base 2. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe.